Take a ride in 2021
Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.